How's it going, everybody? It's Georgie here, and I just got a package in the mail. I already opened it because I had no idea what it was, but some of you might be guessing what this is. Ooh. You've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your YouTube channel. Sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. Wojcicki. W-O-J-C-I-C-K-I. There's more, but I'm sure you guys have heard it all before. Oh! It's shiny. Nice, nice. 100,000 subscribers. So I want to thank you guys all so much for making this possible, and thank Jesse, JT for helping me start everything out. Thank all you guys for subscribing to me. You guys are literally the best. Like, one thing I noticed right away is that you guys don't let anything negative get posted about me or any of my videos on my video comments, which is like amazing. Like, it's all positive. So that's awesome. Thank you guys all so much. And going for 1 million next. So I got a little video we just got done doing. I'm a little tired from it, so we just cut me out of a tree with a chainsaw. So here's that footage. Thank you again. I think it looks pretty perfect. Right there. I can do my hair in it in the morning and stuff like that.
Alright, here, you ready? The ninja kick. You gotta...
This little nub here. I need to just put my foot somewhere. Alright, I guess. Yo, chill. There you go. Didn't fall. You know Dom Curtin, he would train you well.
I slipped, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. It's too high.
Alright, ready, Mr. Burke? I guess. Oh my god. Ow. Ow.
Yeah, that's the only thing about
holy shit, I didn't even look out for that.
It was...
Got him down.
Yeah. Oh, my legs. I'm good.
You sure it's going down this way?
The ladder's gone.
Let me catch myself. Which way is it going? Thanks for subscribing, everybody. Let's get back! Thanks for subscribing, everybody. Oh, that was a fun one. Hold that line still, please. Second. Holy shit. Oh, there goes the ladder. Alright, yes. Filmer's ready? Alright. Oh, they're all briars. Ah. Yeah, you picked them right in the hollow tree, all right. Careful that trees.
Just like that. Now put your other foot on. Yeah.
That was sick,
Bro, that was scary, bro.
I know.